Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Anurag, where you can find latest job updates and complete placement preparation. One big update is coming from HBC. HBC is hiring 2024, 2023, 2022, 2021 and 2020 passed batch candidates for a great opportunity for demand planning role. Please note this is a non-coding job, so if you have zero knowledge of coding, then also you can get this job. For this, any bachelor's degree candidates can apply. All branches candidates are eligible. There is no percentage criteria. Most important thing is salary. Salary will be more than 5 lakhs per annum. So in this video, I will discuss what is the job location, how to apply, what are the required skills, everything I will discuss in this video. So please watch full video. So without wasting time, let's get started. Before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed to our Code with Anurag YouTube channel, please do subscribe, because here you will get daily latest job updates with placement preparation in English. And this is our other YouTube channel, Job Updates for You, where you will get daily latest job updates with placement preparation in Hindi. So please subscribe to this channel as well. Now let's start the video. Once you will click on the apply link, which you will find in the description box of this video, then it will redirect you on this official website of this HBC India Careers. Here you can see all the details. So trainee demand planning role, right? So job location will be Bangalore, right? So yeah, so you can see about the job description, job role you can see. So what is the job summary? What will be your responsibilities? So your responsibilities will be, you need to report to managers like demand planning, then work closely with the merchandising, planning, buying items in North America and other teams as necessary, right? So you need to work with that team, with the team. Actually you need to manage the team, right? It's not a sales job. Please note, this is not a sales job. You need to work with the teams and you need to report to the manager, right? So yeah, here you can see key qualifications. So what are the qualifications and required skills? Let's discuss. So here you can see, graduates or postgraduate with 0 to 1 year of experience and relevant experience. Preference will be work experience in retail industry. If you have any experience in retail industry, then it will be a plus for you, right? Analytical, advanced Excel problem solving, and advanced and knowledge in forecasting, right? After that, data management and interpretation using statistical concepts. After that, strong planning and operational skills. After that, ability to communicate clearly and effectively. After that, proficiency in Excel and good knowledge of other MS Office tools. After that, ability to work well with others and contribute to a positive environment. After that, highly motivated and committed to the development of high quality work. After that, last but not least, SQL and VBA macro knowledge will be a plus. If you have any knowledge in SQL, then it will be a huge plus, huge advantage, but it's not mandatory. So here are the job roles you can read, right? So qualifications as already discussed. So yeah, salary I already discussed. So I think I discussed all the details. So how to apply, that is very easy. Simply you need to click here, apply now. And yeah, selection process, there will be total 3 rounds. Round 1 will be online exam, round 2 will be online exam. There will be some aptitude questions, right? Once you qualify aptitude round, then there will be one interview. There will be 2 interview. One will be managerial and some technical basic questions, and right, so related to manage, how you can manage the team, those things. And after that, one final HR round, right? So how to apply, that is you need to click there. After that, you need to log in, right? If you don't have any account, you need to click here, new user. After that, you need to register yourself. After registering, you need to log in, then you need to fill the details, then you need to submit the application. Once you will submit the application, after that, if they shortlist your profile, then they will send you the online exam link. So please apply. This is a really huge opportunity for all of you. Yeah, that's it from my side in this video. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box. You can join our WhatsApp channel. Also, you can join our Telegram channel. Links are already given in the description box and also in the pinned comment. So please check it out. Thank you for watching this video.